So for long hair, I like to do it in sections. So this was the first section, the bottom half. And as you can see, I did 3 curls here with the 1.5 perfector. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. All right, Jill, so we're gonna take the second section, which I go right about here.
That makes
Works
sense.
for you?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm gonna show you how to do the curl, and then you're gonna do it as well. So you're gonna always take about a 2-inch section and brush through it. I like to brush it a couple times because I'm feeling a little bit of that knotting.
Yeah.
So I'm smoothing that through. Then I'm gonna start right here at the scalp. You could start lower if you don't want the curl to start that high. And as you can see, I'm holding it vertically, not horizontally, not pulled out. I like to hold this section, it makes it easier for me. And then, as you can see, I just spin and go all the way, how long the piece would be, and down.
Awesome.
So each spin you're holding, when you spin, you hold for about 5 seconds and spin again. All right?
A full spin?
A full spin.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get you your next section for you, because those are done under there. So I'll give that to you, and you wanna give it a try. Now you're gonna go ahead and brush through it. Perfect. So brush through it twice, all the knots are out.
I like that you do twice.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a full spin.
Yeah. Come down, perfect. Full spin. Great, and you can use your hand in any way that's easier for you. Perfect.
I never held it before like that. Okay. Oh my God.
There you go.
Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, it is so easy.
All right, so Jill, we're gonna do your bangs.
Great.
So the thing about long bangs, which is great, is I call it rocking them both ways. So brush through like normal, and then I'm gonna literally bring it to the ends, make sure those ends are in really nice.
Okay.
See how they're just going in the brush?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go down. So this is gonna be an under, but we're not gonna leave it that way. This is gonna give us a little lift.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you do the exact same thing, but you're gonna be going back. So when this comes out, we're gonna have this big, bump this way.
Yeah.
But I want you to take the same thing and do it backwards. So I'll let you brush through. Right, so brush through, perfect. Get all of those ends in. So the ends aren't in, so pull it up some, there you go.
Okay. Oh, good.
So that the ends get that little tail to it,
I can't stand that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you pulled it up and got the ends in.
Right.
Great, you hold it that way for 5 seconds. Now when you come out, just come back with it. Yeah, there you go, go back. There.
Oh, yeah.
Now when you run your hands through that, it's that perfect
Look at
framing bang.
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's fabulous.
Look at that, so fast and easy. And you started from air dried hair.
Which is so incredible. And I can't. Look how great my hair looks. Oh my God, I can rule the world. Look at this.
Frizz is gone.
Yeah, my frizzy.
I think we should show them the back.
Yes.
Okay, put it back there so they can see. So just big, gorgeous waves with the 1.5 inch.